Hi! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Apple Earpods when the plug breaks. I mean the wires inside break or get disconnected right here. You may as well buy another plug, but we'll use the same one. First of all, use some pliers, scissors, knife, or something to break the plastic cover. But be very careful. It should look like this. Notice there are 3 solder points on top and just 1 on the bottom. After peeling the wire, we have 5 usable wires: green and gold, green, red, red and gold, red and green, and lastly a gold one we don't really need to use. Pay close attention to the red and green one because it has another gold wire inside. Now we have to separate the gold one from the red and green one. Like this. Red and green together and gold by itself. Now we take all the ones with 2 colors and twist them together. We end up with 4 wires. The one with all the mixed colors: green, red, and gold. Now let's tint them first. This may be a little tricky, depending on how you do it. Some people burn the wires to remove the insulation, but that leaves some filth, which makes soldering a lot harder. If you do this, be sure to clean it up before soldering. Use a piece of cloth or something gentle. Using sandpaper may break thin wires, so use something softer. Okay, this is what I do. I place the wire on top of the soldering iron and then apply the solder on top. Put the wire inside the solder bubble that forms and leave it there for a little while until it sucks the solder. This will make things a lot easier. Solder the wires as shown. It should look like this. Make sure the wires or solder points aren't touching each other, because this will not work. Remember, all the colors together go below, while on top we have gold, red, and green. Okay, time to test. Let's play something and check. Volume up, down, pause, play.
¿Está funcionando bien? ¿Y ahora el otro? ¿Está bien?
They work fine. Now you can use some hot glue to cover the whole thing, like these I fixed earlier. Not the prettiest, but they work. After applying some hot glue, you can use something else on top for protection. Otherwise they won't last a day. Some people use thermofit, this kind of plastic tube that shrinks when you apply heat. It gives some protection, but not that much. I'm gonna use this piece of plastic instead and then fill it with more hot glue. Well, this is the final result. You can use anything you have lying around to cover it as long as it's durable. I guess that's all for today. I hope you found this useful because it was hardly entertaining, I know. Anyway, see you next time.